Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to set WhatsApp profile without losing quality. Now if you want to set a WhatsApp profile without losing the quality, then you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video to do so. Now for the first step, it should be that you have already installed WhatsApp on a device. So if you have not installed, simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you open WhatsApp on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of WhatsApp. Now click on the settings like icon at the very bottom right of the page. So under settings, you will see your avatar, list, broadcast message, and also click on your profile and you'll see the option of edit, which is highlighted on green. So click on it. So you'll see the option of edit at the very top right, so click on it again and you'll see various options like use avatar, take photo, choose photo, delete photo. So click on the option of choose photo. So make sure that you choose any HD photo rather than any blurry ones. So choose the photo which you want to keep. So for example, I'll keep this photo, so you may simply zoom in or zoom out to keep the photo as you want to keep. So choose the SD photo as far as possible. So I'll just keep it like this for now, and you'll see the option of choose at the very bottom right of the page. So as you can see that the photo has not lost its quality. So that's it. That's how you can set up WhatsApp profile without losing quality. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.